What is up, everybody? Back with another pair of retro low heat. I got these on, I think, the Shock Drop, and I've had them for a minute. I've had them for over a week, and I haven't done an unboxing. So I appreciate, if you're watching this video, I appreciate you, because now at this point, there's other unboxings, there's other big shoe YouTubers and reviewers out there who have done videos on these. I kind of dropped the ball. Could have had one of the first videos out there, and or at least ahead of some of the big shoe YouTubers, and I didn't. So if you're watching this, I really do appreciate you clicking on this. So, and it's free to subscribe. We do a low heat unboxings. Sometimes we're reviews. Sometimes we cop some high heat. So it's free. Takes a second, and I would appreciate it. Anyways, what am I talking about here? We got the Air Jordan 12 Retro in white, black, very little black, and Varsity red. Varsity red is the color. These are like called the Cherry 12s, but I think they were really called Cherry 12s back in the day. They were just the red and white 12s. I got them in size 11.5, which is a little risky at times. That's my true to size, but these are bigger, you know, those 90s bulky basketball shoes. And so I wanted to go as slim as possible because it's just not my style, really. Although I do have these on. Maybe part of the reason I like these, though, is because this silhouette, the Jordan 12, does seem a little bit more aerodynamic, a little bit more slim in comparison to the other models of Michael Jordans. So here, we got the old school retro box from back in the day. Just Do It, which is cool. Cardboard, orange around the border, and cardboard on the top. Or cardboard, look, unpainted, I should say. Got the old school kind of paper. That's cool. Kind of a true retro feel, which we like. Let's take a look here. Ooh, these are pretty. And that's a lot for me to say because this was my first pair of 12s ever in my life. And I never really was a retro Jordan person growing up. Played, you know, if you heard this story a bunch of times, if you are one of my few subscribers and watching this, thanks for stomaching this story one more time. But I just didn't buy a lot of these. These were very popular in middle school for me, and my kids in my class and grade, and of course across America. But I just played indoor soccer, and it just wasn't about basketball shoes. I played soccer and wore indoor soccer shoes to school, I should say. So I never had these growing up, and I was never really a fan of, I don't know, like 6 through the 14s really. But since having got back into sneakers, they are nostalgic, the 11 through 14s, that run, because that's when he returned to the Bulls, and I was paying attention to basketball, collecting basketball cards despite not playing basketball a ton. B team, 6-man on the B team in middle school. I watched basketball, collected basketball cards, but the shoes I wasn't a huge fan of. But now getting back into shoes and sneakers, I would say the 12 is my favorite of that 11 through 14 run. Probably the 12s, then the 14s, then the 11s, then the 13s. I know people are big fans of like the 11s, and, the Concords, and big fans of the 13s. The He Got Game 13s and stuff, but just if I had to pick of those, his return to the Bulls shoes, I like the 12s the best, and the ones that I'll actually wear. Cop the Amaniers in black and white, and now I have these, and I'm probably set on 12s for now. But of his original color, I do like the black and red ones, but I passed on those when they retroed those a while back. These, because they're white, and I'm a fan of more of a fan of white shoes, could not pass them up. And these are, for the most part, true to form to the retro. There are differences. I'm not going to point out every single difference because I'm not that versed in the differences between the originals that came out in 99, and then the ones the retros from like 2013 or whenever they were. Check out the Wear Testers YouTube channel, and Chris or Nightwing, he does a great comparison of all three models: the true retro, the originals, the first retros, and then these. He does a really good job breaking down the differences. and he shows them. So I'm not going to do that. Check out his video, much better. But, you know, I got the 23 on the back, this back tab here, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Just really cool, really well done here. I like the leather seams, there you can see how thick the leather is. It's not like super thick, but here it seems almost a little bit more maybe thin. But I love this like red gum sole that's slightly translucent. You have the carbon fiber shank right there, and Jumpman on the toe. Just, again, as I've gotten older, the nostalgia hits harder, and therefore I like these, even though I didn't rock with them when I was a kid, when they were out, and kids were getting these. These were the Jordans were the expensive school shoe to get, because they, I think, you know, they were over $100. I think they're 150 maybe. Let's try these on now. Oh, my Postmates here. My phone is going absolutely insane. All right, let's try these on. Sponsor me, Postmates. So these, I think, what size did I get in these? I think I got, in these, I think I got 11.5, maybe I got 12. Well, let's try these on. Really like these. Check out my unboxing video on these. But this is like suede, and this is like leather. The obvious differences. And you got this like lizard skin. It's almost like, people say lizard skin, but it's like, to me, it mimics more a basketball. Almost. It's not there. It's asymmetrical. It's not perfect dimpling like a basketball, but it almost looks like to me the you know, a basketball. That texture. I know it's not though. Right. That's interesting. I never noticed it was like 2, 3 right there, spelled out 2, 3. Kind of a interesting design there. So here we gotta be careful not to completely unlace these. I jam my heel in here. Maybe 11.5s were not the right move. Murdering my I need a shoehorn. It's also hard to do this with a tripod between your legs. No pun intended there. Okay, these fit well. I would say I haven't stood up in these, but I do think that going true to size is the move. I have enough toe room there. I can tell even when I stand up. They are a little stiff, so if you're a wide foot, I don't know. But these feel good. I would go true to size. They look pretty, not too bulky. I would love to, like, you know, if I start like hooping to get in shape for exercise or whatever, I'd love to just wear these to hoop in. Honestly, more so than like putting a fit together with these. I would really like to just hoop in these. If you're wondering like how do I style these, it's kind of a cop-out answer, but to be honest, like I really truly do think the best outfit for these is just blue jeans. I think actual blue, not black wash jeans, either a light wash or a blue wash, not navy. To me, this is just my personal style. For me, this is a blue jean, shoe, and t-shirt. A lot of eyes will be drawn to the shoes, so you don't want to go, to me, I don't want to go too crazy. Like, the perfect look for me would be a clean white tee, really nice structured white tee, and maybe a little logo hit, denim, blue denim, lighter wash, medium to lighter wash denim, and these bad boys. Maybe, like, you know, if you like accessories, throw on a watch, throw on a bracelet, throw on a little chain, but you know, you could rock a baseball cap, or, you know, a beanie, whatever you want. But that's, I know that seems like kind of a cop-out fit, but to me, if you're ever like worried like I was, like, oh, retro basketball shoes, I don't know how to wear those, I can't wear these with anything. Blue jeans, man, totally can rock these with blue jeans. It's kind of hard to see from the side. I'd love to see what these look like from the side angle wearing them. I have seen them on other people. I mean, this is the look too, but really like these. Let's give these a rating and then we'll get on out of here. Sub 10-minute video maybe, or close to around 10 minutes. I think we're going to give these, I love the colorway. I'm grading this more just as a shoe on its own, like the, you know, the original design of this and the colorway, not so much like in comparison to the original. Not, you know, this still isn't like my flavor, but with the nostalgia packed in, this definitely gets an 8. How high of an 8? We're gonna go ahead and say that these are like an these are an 8.25. 8.25. This is my favorite of, like, if you forget like the 1 through 4s. I guess 5, 6s, I don't know, 5s. We'll throw in the 5s, 1 through 5s. 6s are where it starts to get pretty chunky. 6s are where it starts to get pretty chunky. So 6 on. The 12s fight with the 6s for the ones I like the most. So I really do like these, and they've grown on me over the years, and this, again, has become the only Jordan 11 through 14 that I like. The Jordan 12s are my favorite, and really happy to get a retro pair. I got the collab pairs. I'm really happy to get a retro pair. Maybe someday I get the black and red ones. I don't know. Don't need them right now. Would love to hoop in them. If I do hoop in them, maybe I'll give them a review. But yeah, I'd love to lace these up, play in these, and yeah, thanks for watching.